Did you know that there are over 6 million passenger car accidents in the US every year? According to a report by the National Safety Council, the cost of a car accident involving property damage ranges from $3,000 to $1.7 million in the United States. This adds up to an estimated total cost of around $16 billion for property-damage-only car accidents in the US. The economic costs of auto accidents and crashes totaled $230.6 billion in 2022 alone. Car accidents have a major impact globally, resulting in 1.35 million deaths and 20 to 50 million injuries annually. The cost of these accidents is estimated at $1.85 trillion globally and $579 billion in the US. These high costs highlight the importance of taking steps to prevent car accidents and improve road safety. According to a study published in the journal Expert Systems with Applications, a deep learning model was able to achieve an accuracy of 94.7% in identifying different types of car damage, compared to an accuracy of 82.9% for a traditional manual approach. The deep learning model was able to accurately identify car damage in real-world images with an accuracy of over 90%. Identifying car damage can be challenging due to the complexity of vehicles, subtlety of damage, and variability of damage. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates to detect car damage using AI computer vision techniques and machine learning algorithms. This involves training a model on a dataset of images of different types of cars and then using this model to classify new images of car objects. The model can be trained using various techniques such as convolutional neural networks or transfer learning with pre-trained deep learning models with an accuracy of approximately 90%. The deep learning model is easily created by collecting pictures and car damages in a dataset on a TinyML platform like cAInvas with pre-processing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. Identifying car damage can be challenging due to the complexity of vehicles, subtlety of damage, and variability of damage, but is possible with the help of computer vision and deep learning. TinyML platforms like cAInvas detect car damage using various techniques such as convolutional neural networks or transfer learning with pre-trained deep learning models with an accuracy of approximately 90%. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.